Tow family, I bet y'all didn't think I could operate a forklift. What's in here is awesome. Old Dominion brought us some cool stuff from Collins. Let's get this. All right. This is the auto carrier system for your flatbed and the bad to the bone, heavy duty, extra long axles from Collins. So let's check these things out. They want JB Tow to start pushing their product. Well, I have been a long time in the ditch user, and they sent me this to see if they can win Jason with JB Tow to come over to the Collins side. I haven't used Collins in 10 or 15 years. I had a couple bad experiences very, very long time ago. So the people from Collins reached out to me and wanted to know what they could do to win Jason at JB Tow. Need to use their products. So with that being said, they sent us some of the cool stuff. And I want everybody to see this. We're going to be using this stuff and posting videos over the next week or two. These things are going to be super cool. Hopefully Collins can win me back because I love doing videos for products. So either way, I'm doing the video. People make improvements. So hopefully they've improved their product since the last time I used it. And I mean, it could have been a great product. I could have just had a bad experience. So we're gonna see what we got going on here. All right. These are your little ramps to get the dolly system up. This is what you hook to the dollies to get them on the bed of the truck. So you don't even have to hook to the vehicle. You hook to these things. That is super cool. I still play with dollies. Let's see if that's true. Let's see if they can get Jason to play with dollies. Man, I love stuff from people. Looky, looky. Oh, that is awesome. I can't wait to use these things. I've had so many people ask me about these. These are for the front tires. All right, we opened up the smaller box with the auto carrier dolly thingy. And I'm not even sure of the technical name just yet. All right, let's see this. Let's see the size difference. Aha. Holy smokes. Look at this. All right. There's a very distinct difference. Different handle, rubber coated. This is for your wider, big, fat rear tires. So there's the difference between them. That is freaking awesome. There's the other. Aha. These are magic. This is the crazy long dog bars. And they telescope from both ends. Holy smokes. I can't even reach that one. Well, that sucks. And I guess push that. Now that's a dolly crossbar. You've got to be kidding me. That's insane. I cannot wait to use these. Wonder what's in this. Oh, looky, looky. They sent us dolly shirts. We still play with dollies. These are crazy. Look at these things. You twist this here. Locks in like that. You know, you would twist that. Man, they're definitely sturdy. They look very well built. These tires are crazy. What size are these tires? Oh, a 5.0 by 8. So no more 4.8 by 8s. These are 5.0 by 8s. So these tires are bigger. Let's see what their load rating is. 6 ply tread, 4-plied sidewall, max load, 1,285 pounds per tire, 120 PSI. So basically 5,000 pounds, give or take, is what these things are gonna carry down the road. So these things, I'm super excited. I wanna say it can go up to 75 miles an hour. I mean, I wouldn't recommend that. It's just super cool that they can go really long distances with heavy vehicles. I don't think anybody should be doing 75 miles an hour on dollies. I don't care what you're hauling, but that's just me. So keep an eye out for the videos. We're gonna get to use all this stuff. Hopefully we can start doing some videos tomorrow, but the big videos with this stuff is coming Tuesday more than likely. So keep an eye out for everything. We're gonna use all this stuff. We're gonna put it to the test and see if Colin's Dollies can win Jason and JB Tow back to the other side. Slow down, move over, you'll save a life, and it's the law.